What's up, guys? Justin Flores here, and I'm here with kind of like a review slash new stuff video. So yeah, here we go. I got my new girl board. It's Mike Mo. So dope. I love this board. Mob on the top. The holes are cut perfectly. Look at that. Then the little girl right there. So yeah, I love this board. It's pretty dope. So that's my board right now. So I'm in my pajamas. I'm going to sleep. Oh well. Yeah. Peace out. Subscribe over there. Check out my videos over there. And check the description down there. And rate and comment over there. See ya. Peace out.